right, here we are.
I think it's Peri apartments or something.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah.
Something original. Oh.
Yeah, the inside of this thing. Wow. Huh. No indicator, but that's cool.
The fan switch is broken.
Light switch is
They
also
do nothing.
broken. Let's not test the other switch.
Yeah.
Wish there was something to see in this. Besides the
Hey, at least
light.
it's original.
Yeah. We can get a view.
Yeah, let's get a view. Ooh. Look at that.
That means your views.
Oh, that's actually really nice. Look, you can see all of downtown Golden.
During the day, there would be a lot to see on camera. At
There's
night,
still, this is a pretty view.
so like you can see.
There's the Mines M.
But if you were like on the camera, then there's like nothing other
That's
than
cool.
lights.
That's awesome.
Sometimes that works.
An original elevator. Yeah, this is very weird. Look, it's like on the side of a hill.
There's like a bridge too.
That's that parking lot I saw.
Oh, that's cool. They must have left.
I guess. Look at this. So we'll gotta.
Let's pause.
Look at that.
Hopefully it's not broke on this floor.
Yeah. Wonder if we should go down. This is a very weirdly laid. Look at this. Look at this layout. Nate, there's a big gap here. Oh, here's the elevator. This apartment building is laid out very oddly.
It was working. It's just.
It's quiet.
little,
Whoa.
So how's the bumper feel?
Stiff. Here,
Yeah.
let's get going. We don't have all night. We gotta get back.
The lighting in here makes everything look nice too. Like I can actually get a focus on stuff in here.
Well, look at the cab. This is a neat cab. I like this. The paint job they
By
gave
transcending walls.
it. Transcending walls. That's
Shame
cool.
No personal artist name on it though. Has some classic living just a little.
That's awesome. Anyways,
Door closed.
that will be it.